Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trucks aren't just about hauling and towing anymore. They're about technology, comfort and power wrapped into one beastly package. And today, we have the all-new 2026 Toyota Tundra, a truck built to dominate the roads and the trails while keeping you connected and comfortable. Let's dive in and see what makes this truck a serious contender in the full-size pickup world. At first glance, the 2026 Tundra commands attention. Toyota has refined its design to make this truck both muscular and modern. The massive front grille, now featuring an active air shutter system, improves aerodynamics without compromising on that bold, aggressive stance. The LED headlights are sleeker, wrapping around the redesigned hood for a more sculpted, athletic look. The body is constructed using high-strength steel and aluminum, reducing weight while maintaining durability. The new adaptive tailgate with power open and close function makes loading and unloading a breeze, and yes, there's a built-in step for easy access, plus those 22-inch alloy wheels, pure presence on the road. Now let's talk about what really makes a truck a powerful heart under the hood. Toyota offers two engine options for 2026. A 3.5L twin-turbo V6, pushing out 420 horsepower and 520 lb-ft of torque. And for those wanting extra muscle, a hybrid iForce Max producing a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid setup gives you instant torque, better fuel efficiency, and a smooth yet powerful drive. Whether you're towing up to 13,000 pounds or hitting the trails, the Tundra does it all effortlessly. Step inside, and you'll see that Toyota didn't just focus on brawn. The 2026 Tundra's interior is built for both work and luxury. Soft touch materials, real wood accents, and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system take center stage. The new Toyota Connected AI Assistant lets you control navigation, music, and even climate with just your voice. A fully digital driver display is customizable, giving you real-time data on fuel efficiency, performance stats, and even terrain settings. Plus, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system, your drives will always be connected and entertaining. Safety? Toyota's got you covered. So, what do we have here? A bold, rugged, and tech-loaded full-size truck that's just as comfortable hauling heavy loads as it is taking the family on a weekend getaway. What do you think about the new Tundra? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more epic car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.